Everyone, you're watching Lisa, Jason and Teddy on Bedlam TV. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. We've got to make the most of it. So we've not got many summer days left, have we, before winter comes. Looking for plums. Yeah. Juicy plum trees. No, wild plums. Let's make wild plum chutney, you know, to dip in for cheese and crackers. So that's what we're hunting for, plums. Look in the... Whoa! What did he do again?
Where, boy?
Big dog up at top. Big doggy up at the top. I'm going to make that chutney. I've got some nice cheese. Guess what cheese I got? It was on special offer. Extra mature cheddar. No, that other one. Not Cathedral City, the other one. It's very expensive when it's not on special offer. Also rummaging old trees and everything. Oh, it hurts, doesn't it? But I hate it. Don't bring him far. I only take him out on it round the big field when I'm feeling brave. Yeah. What berries are those, guys? Whoa! Teddy! We'll have a walk up here. What is that? Wasps? You need some shock absorbers. See, some sheep in here and stuff, so be careful. He knows, he remembered that. But it's horsefly season, isn't it? I forgot. Is that a plum tree? There's no fruit, there's no wild plum trees. No. Look at the beautiful lily pad. Can I go and sit in the middle of that? Have my picture talk. Let's see if I can. No, I'm filming. Photography, baby. Cute, isn't it? Little dragonflies and things. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? It's a nice chilled walk, isn't it? It's changed from all the drama and shouting and everything else. You know what I mean? All the noise of the hustle and the bustle, the matrix, the loud mouths, etc. We can't all be loud mouths, but it's nice. We want some nice peaceful. Where's he going now? Oh my God. What's he doing under there? He's rummaging, aren't you? Having an explore, are you? If you get one of these dogs, I don't know or not. It's all like sitting ice all day. What's that? don't know. Where's that go?
You want to go out that way?
Nah. I haven't seen any fruit trees. This is beyond a joke. That there's no fruit trees in Arnie. Ooh, look. Hi, a wild plum tree. Oh, what? Who's that blackcurrant? See, we couldn't have took Ted up there anyway with all them up there, could we? Up there, swimming all up there, yeah. You know what I mean? That's why I don't go out with him, because there's always other dogs and it's busy. At least we find something that look like plums. If they are edible, I'll Google it when I get home, and if they are edible, me and Ted are going to come and get some and make a plum. We're going to go and get some and make a plum chutney to put on cheese and crackers. What's that? Is that mullein? Mullein, everyone, that plant. Does anybody know? Yeah, I'll hide, but where he's going to see, innit? We'll have to move and he sees, right at the corner of his beady eye. See me. See? Easy! Told you it's too easy for him now. Well, it always has been, hasn't it, since he were a pup. I like foraging, I'm interested in it. I'm very interested. Might be wrong.
Is he vicious? He'll bite. Yeah, this one's a bit...
He might do if they growl at him, that's all. If they growl at him, he's like arr, 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 back at him at the moment. He hasn't had his nuts off, and it's usually like, ah, yeah. It's usually just the ones who haven't had their nuts off. See ya! Here, look, guys. Some more there. Ow! There. Spent many a day when I was young up there, every day in my life. On my bike. It must have been safer back then. These things, we never had them, we never saw them.
I popped them when I was a kid.
Well, I didn't.
I don't know.
I didn't. Look, the water's dried up on the golden steps, everyone. Looked great that, weren't it? Oh, look at the bin, everyone. That's not good, guys, but it must be busy. Well, in Spain, they come every day and clean his van, it's filthy. Well, that's the end of that walk, everyone. Yeah, if you've enjoyed our little walk with our dog and you enjoy watching us and what we get up to in our dog's videos, please smash the like and subscribe. Hiya, there's something horrible happened up the waterworks. We just took a walk up the waterworks and we heard a scream, didn't we? And we thought it was just kids messing about. So then next thing, we saw an ambulance going up, didn't we, as we were leaving the nature reserve. So something's gone on, someone's drained or something, guys. There's search and rescue up here and everything. Incident response. There's been a big incident, hasn't there? Someone's drained up the reservoirs today, everyone.
Well,
that's what we're presuming.
We get home and run down to the field.
That's where they should be going. It takes 2 seconds to get down that kind of field, though, do you know? And that's what I wanted to tell them. That's what I wanted to tell them. That's the easiest way to get to it. Hi everyone, you're watching Bedlam TV on a Sunday, and there's been an incident up at the Strinesdale Reservoir. So we're just following the ambulances now. We think someone's got in trouble swimming up in the top reservoir. Is where we heard a load of kids, weren't it? We've gone down that road there, guys, but the best way to go would be down the field from Kineshill School. I can't really zoom in that well either. All you can see is police car flashing its light.